Hello, welcome back. This is Steve at Box Coins and welcome to another review. Today we have the second in the Tudor Beast series, the Lion of England. This is the second series that follows on from the Queen's Beasts, which were set of £5 coins, that there was 10 of them, and the 11th coin of the 10, so to speak, was actually a completed coin that we didn't know was coming and surprised us all, but was probably the best coin in the whole series. This one is the Lion of England, and the lion has been a heraldic symbol for the English throne since the time of William the Bastard, or William the Conqueror, William the First. He went under several names. The Duke of Normandy. When he took the throne from Harold II in 1066, one of the main icons or mascots that he used was the lion on his shield, and it's stayed a heraldic symbol of England virtually since that time. So you have the lion itself. So if we actually look at this particular version of the lion, you have the crown here, and that represents that it's a royal lion. You have the lion himself supporting a quartered shield. The quartered shield shows the arms on the right here of Jane Seymour and her family, and on the left is the Lions of England on a red background and the fleur-de-lis. Now, the reason why both of these are on the shield, very simply, is because Henry still had a claim to the throne of France through Henry V and onwards since then. Other folds in this. This one here is actually the statue that is on that runs over the moat at Hampton Court, and it's a Tudor Beast statue. The difference between the lion here and the lion here is the lion's tongue is out on this particular one. You still have the quartered arms on the shield, and you have it more like the Scottish lion coins were on the shillings, rampant. This one on here is less so rampant, although it's on its back, sitting on its back paws. It's not fully erect, so to speak. So what else have we got? If you want to read the information here or information further on, please pause the video. There we have some information about Henry VIII and why he used the lion. Just bring that in a little bit. Further on we have the chapel garden. Now, this chapel garden was replanted or redesigned to look like the original on the 500th anniversary of King Henry VIII's accession to the throne. So, however, this courted garden, or this court garden, was where Henry VIII spent many hours wooing Anne Boleyn. The protectors. You'll see in several places around Hampton Court, you'll see the different beasts. Here they're sat on top of a green and white pole. The lion is rampant with a crown, holding the Tudor emblem, the Tudor rose emblem, on a flag emblem. So you have the flag with the Tudor rose, the white outer leaves and the red inner ones. On the back here is a breakdown of the arms, or the breakdown of the actual Lion of England, with a keyed area, which I've already covered in this particular review. Here again we have just a little bit of information about the royal beasts, and it says, as you approach the great Kate House at Hampton Court, there's a line of majestical beasts keeping a watchful eye over the moat bridge. So, as I said earlier, each of the 10 of these beasts has its own statue going over the moat, and they're on both sides of the moat, so you have two lines of 5. Commissioned during Anne Boleyn's fall from grace and completed as Jane Seymour Roseby Henry VIII's Queen Consort, these sculptured royal beasts are part of the King's great legacy. Together these animals and mythical creatures leave no doubt to the Tudor dynasty's right to rule. This coin has been made in partnership with historical royal palaces, which was very similar to the Queen's Beast series. They were also one of the royal societies. On the back, which is where we originally started, you have the coin specification and a little bit about the line of England. So, that's the coin itself. Let's go in a little bit. Oh, the other way. Here we have the typical £5 coin with the JC portrait. It indicates it's £5, I think. Has it got £5 on there? Yeah, £5 at the top. And the date isn't actually on this side, so the date will be on the actual beast side, or the obverse of the coin. Here's the obverse. You have the date of 2022 down the bottom here. Let's bring that in right in. So you have the date here of 2022, and it's got line of England going round from sort of the 8 o'clock position to around about 3:30, 4 o'clock position, going around the top. You have the beast itself, and the beast's crown goes into the outer part of the coin. You then have the lion rampart and the shield. I think this would look very good in colour, but they haven't produced this as a colour series. However, it is a good looking coin all the same, and one I'm very happy to have in my collection. So that covers the the Tudor Beasts series number 2, the Line of England. If you've got any comments, please put them below. I read them all, and I will sort of answer any comments that you've got. If you disagree with me, tell me that you don't particularly like this coin, if you don't. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. For those of you buying coins on anywhere at all, I hope you can get the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. And in closing, I'd like to say I have 4 videos a week, so there's plenty for you to have a look at, and they range across pre-decimal hunts, world coin hunts, animal coins, banknotes. There's been some collectibles and some militaria as well, so there's a reasonably wide range of subjects that I cover. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please think about doing so, as I really would like to grow the channel this year. And if you've enjoyed this and you believe that I deserve it, give me the like and also subscribe. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, as I do release 4 videos a week, I'm sure I can find something to entertain you for a 10-minute, 15-minute period of an evening. Until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, from me, bye bye, ta-ra now, bye bye.